Alright, just picked up this super cheap single serve coffee maker, Kitchen Selectives. This thing was on sale for 10 bucks, so really can't beat that. Really just meant to brew 1 cup. And a lot of these are kind of becoming more popular, you know, the single serve where it's not a K-cup or, you know, it's just loose grounds. So I kind of like the idea of trying one of these. And some of them have kind of made to go with a travel mug type of setup, which I'm not. I got a bunch of travel mugs, and yeah, I'd rather have something that can brew with any type of ceramic mugs. So if you're sitting around on the weekend morning, you can enjoy it. So I read some reviews online, and people said it brews pretty good. It's just, you know, cheap as day, so, you know, cheap plastic. It's got, you know, sort of that built-in, you know, it's a plastic filter. Looks like, yeah, just plastic mesh. So, not the perfect thing, but hopefully it'll hold up. Looks like, yeah, so looks like it's, you know, pretty easy to clean and as simple as can be. A little bit of a drip catch here. So that, yeah, so that make it easy to clean. That comes out. And pretty short cord. So yeah, gotta brew a cup. That's all that matters. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, well, it's definitely strong. I used a scoop and a half for that 8 ounces, and that's pretty strong, so probably more like a scoop. But yeah, it's plenty hot, and it's pretty good. I can see, I think some people complained about this, the button here, you know, longevity of that, so try to be careful with that. But like you saw, you don't even need to close it, so it's probably better, you know, if that's going to break, just leave it open. You know, I don't know, depends on how pretty you like your countertop, I suppose. So 10 bucks, we'll give it a go.